buddy is definitely awesome. When I first met you, I knew you would be nice. My two lovable, fun buddies are very energetic and have a great imagination. When Cameron and I first met you, David, I was excited to hear this. When I first saw my buddy, I knew he would be full of welcoming joy, and I knew that we would have a lot of fun together. Once you get to know your buddy, they're really nice. The first time I met my buddy, I felt really nervous but excited. My buddies are uber awesome. I remember when I first saw my buddy. I knew he would be fun, cool, and nice. He was very legit. The first time I saw my special buddy was awesome. Her name was Fatima. She was nice, kind, and cool, and fun, and epic. In my opinion, I have the best, most enthusiastic, playful, interactive, funnest, I don't care if it's another word, awesomest, coolest, utterly amazingest buddies there are. They are Jack and Bennett. When I had my buddy Jason, she helped me understand that making mistakes we can be fair. My buddy Genesis is always a great sport and was really excited to meet me. When I saw my buddy Genesis, she made me smile. The first time we made haunted houses, we both had a great time, and I definitely loved that feeling. Genesis makes me smile when she sees me. I was so happy when I first saw her. When I saw my buddy Soraya for the first time, she was so happy to see me and I felt so nice. Soraya is super active and ready to play. That's why I love her. She's kind and always wants to be bright. I'm glad she's my buddy. Nothing can get between us besides friendship. Knowing my buddy helps me better understand her.